Today we're going to be looking into how to do synthesis. What is synthesis? Synthesis is comparing and contrasting different works from people in order to provide new insights on your project. This involves analyzing and using agreements and disagreements with your topic. Synthesis allows you to organize your notes in a cohesive manner that develops your understanding and perspective on a given topic. How is synthesis used? In order to synthesize your research, you need to have found several sources. With those sources, you need to find the connections between them and the information they provide. By finding those connections, you can create a written understanding of all the information, perspectives, and opinions that you have found. What do I need for synthesis? What you need in order to do synthesis is the information that you have researched. If it helps, this information is organized in a research organizer so you can refer back to it in order to understand what each source said and what its opinions are. Organizing your research in a research organizer is a handy tool to help aid you in your research process, and it can help you with your synthesis. How to do synthesis. In order to write an effective synthesis, you should look at the connections between these sources. By writing a detailed analysis of the opinions and perspectives and how they correlate, you further your understanding of the topic. By incorporating many sources in your understanding, you can better answer your research question and further your writing. A bad example of synthesis. An article that selectively cites research studies and support a particular viewpoint while ignoring studies that contradict that viewpoint, resulting in a biased and incomplete perspective on the topic. This is bad because it ignores the other view and it doesn't get a complete perspective, and it doesn't analyze what all it is trying to argue. Good example of synthesis. A student writing an essay on the impact of climate change on agriculture synthesizes data from multiple sources, including scientific studies, government reports, and interviews with farmers to provide a cohesive overview of this issue. This is a good example of synthesis as it has reliable information, multiple perspectives, and it ties it all together into a cohesive essay of the information. Why is synthesis important? By synthesizing, you are putting together the pieces of a puzzle. Synthesis puts together the information across multiple sources and allows for you to create new knowledge out of old information. It also allows for you to get a head start on your writing as you have a detailed analysis of your research.